students, in this video we will discuss the exclamatory sentences, how exclamatory sentences change in the indirect speech. So dear students, this type of sentences shows some sudden strong feeling like joy, regret, sorrow, or surprise. If these things are there, what is joy, regret, sorrow, and surprise? If these things are there in a sentence, it means that is a exclamatory sentence. So there are some rules to change. There are some rules to change exclamatory sentences in indirect speech. There are some rules to change exclamatory sentences in indirect speech. So what rules are there we will discuss here. Rule number 1. What is rule number 1? Interjections will be removed. Feelings will be clear in reporting verb. So in reporting verb, what the feelings are there, that will be removed, and interjection will be removed. Feelings will be clear in the reporting verb. So let us see if what interjections will be there. Suppose that there is hooray, so hooray shows joy. If there is hooray in a sentence, so hooray is the interjection, and if hooray is given, then we will write there joy. Alas shows sorrow, how or what a shows surprise, and bravo shows approval. So if these words are there in a sentence, hooray, alas, what a or how, bravo, so this shows joy, surprise, sorrow, and approval. Okay. Rule number 2. Reported speech will be connect with that. So on the place of comma, inverted comma, we will have to write there that. Rule number 3 is note of exclamatory. It means exclamatory sign will change in full stop. Exclamatory sign will change in full stop because exclamatory sentences will change in the simple sentence, and in a simple sentence we write there full stop. Next rule is here, rule number 4. Reporting verb said will be changed according to the feeling. So that said will be changed according to the feeling. So let us see. If joy is showed in a sentence, then sad will change in exclaimed with joy or exclaimed with delight. If joy is showed in a sentence, then sad will change in exclaimed with joy or exclaimed with delight. So let us see the sentences here. Examples, let us see. So first example is given here. He said, hooray, my old friend has come. So as you know that in this sentence it showed that hooray it means he is happy that his old friend has come. So he exclaimed with delight means happiness. So hooray is given there, that hooray word will be removed, and sad will change in exclaimed with delight. Comma inverted comma will change in that. Now my will change, my is the first person and it will change according to subject. In subject is he, so my is possessive case and he is subjective case. So what will the subjective case of his? He, his. So my will change in his. His old friend has have changed in had. So his old friend had come. Got it? He exclaimed with delight that his old friend had come because has have changed in had. Next, if regret is showed then, regret means soak. If regret is showed then sad too will change in exclaimed with sorrow or exclaimed with grief. Let us see the example. Example is here. He said, comma, inverted comma, alas, I am ruined. Alas showing the sorrow. So he exclaimed with sorrow that sad to will change, sad to has changed in exclaimed with sorrow, and comma inverted comma it change in that. Now alas these interjection words will remove. Now this subject will change according to this subject. Okay, so I change according to subject he. So he, his MR change in was were. So he was and don't. So the he exclaimed with sorrow that he was ruined. Let us see the next rule. What the next rule is saying. If praised applauded is given, then if praised or applaud is given in the sentence, then said to will change in applauded. Like the example we'll see here. He said, comma inverted comma, bravo, you have done well. So bravo shows the applauded. He applauded us. Why we have written us here? Because you is the second person and second person change according to object. So we will have to suppose object here. Then you can change, because I told you earlier that if there is first person, second person or third person, first person change according to subject, second person change according to object, and third person no change. So second person change according to object and object is not given here, so we will have to suppose here. We have suppose here us. He said us. Okay, now said change uploaded. He uploaded us by saying on the place of comma into comma that. You change according to object. Object is there us, and the subjective case of us is we. We our us. We subjective case, our possessive case, us objective case. So subjective case is we, and has a change in had. So we had done well. Okay. Next, if surprise showed then, if surprise showed then, if surprise showed in a sentence, then sad will change in exclaimed with surprised or exclaimed with anger. Okay, so in this type of sentence, little things you will have to keep in mind. What after what a or how noun comes, after what a or how noun comes, then will change in great. After what a or how, if noun comes, then it will change in great, and we will use great. And if adjective comes, then change in very. So if adjective comes, then we'll use very. If what a or how after this is coming noun, then we'll write the great. So let us see here. So examples are here. Ram said, comma, inverted comma, how fast you are walking. How fast you are walking. So Ram said to change in exclaimed. Ram exclaimed with surprise, because how or what a comes, it means show the surprise. So here Ram exclaimed with surprise that. On the place of comma to comma we will write that. Now how or what a will removed. Okay, now because this is interjection sentence and exclamatory sentence, and we will change in simple sentence. So in simple sentence we will start with subject. So here you is given here, that's why it will change according to object. In object is not given here, so we'll have to suppose here. Okay, so you change according to object. That is surprised that he, Ram said to me. Ram said, comma into comma, how fast you are walking. So Ram exclaimed with surprise that he was walking very fast. So you can see here that Ram said to me. If we are supposing here me, Ram said to me, how fast you are walking, then it will change that you change to object that on the place of he we will write there I. So you change according to object me, and me is I, my, me is the objective case and subjective case will be I. So I is a march engine was where I was walking very fast. What said that if, how or what. In last before some time we told that after how or what a, if you find any noun or adjective, so here fast is adjective. When adjective come, then we will write very. As I told you earlier here that if adjective comes after what a or how, then we will use very. Okay, so we will use very if adjective comes. If after what a or how noun comes, then we write the great. Okay, that's why we have used here very, because fast is adjective, that's why very fast. Now next example, he said, comma, inverted comma, what a fool I am. What a fool I am. So he said to change in exclaimed with anger, because what a fool I am showing the anger. He exclaimed with anger that, comma to comma change in that. Now subject is I, here I change according to subject. First person, I is the first person, change according to subject. So he is a march engine was where he was a. Now fool is noun. Fool is a noun. That's why before fool we will write great. So he was a great fool. Now next, a note is given here. According to new rules, in what a and how type sentence is, on the place of said exclaimed is used. So according to new rule, only exclaimed we can put on the place of said. There is no need to write exclaimed with sorrow, exclaimed with joy, exclaimed with surprise, and like this. Only if you are writing exclaimed, that is sufficient. Let us see the example. Like as Ram said, commented, comma, how fast you are walking. So Ram said to change in exclaimed. Ram exclaimed that. How and what these will remove, and this you is the second person and it will change according to object, and object is not given here, so we'll have to suppose. We are supposing Ram said to us, Ram said to me, how fast you are walking. So you change according to object. In object there is me, and me is the objective case, and what will the subjective case of me? I. So I is a mark change in was verb. I was walking fast. Fast is the adjective, and if adjective is there, then before adjective will write there very fast. So Ram exclaimed that I was walking very fast. Now next he said, commented, comma, what a fool I am. What a fool I am. Now what is given? So he exclaimed that. Said change in exclaimed. Okay, and there before sometime we use the he exclaimed with anger, but here only exclaimed. If you are writing only exclaimed, then it will go okay according to new rules. So comma to comma that. This is the I, and I the first person, and change according to subject. Subject is he. So he is a mark change in was verb. So he was a great fool, because what a after fool is given, and fool is the noun, and before noun we write great. So he exclaimed that he was a great fool. So one rule is more here. If good heavens is used, then changed in exclaimed with surprise. If good heavens given in a sentence, then it will change in exclaimed with surprise. So see one example here. Good heavens, I have dropped my key somewhere, he said. Good heavens, I have dropped my key somewhere, he said. So how it will change in the indirect speech? So let us see the. So he exclaimed with surprise. So said to change in exclaimed with surprise on the place of comma, annotated comma, that. Now good heavens, what is written here? Good heavens will remove, and this is I will change according to subject, because I the first person, and first person change according to subject, and subject there is he. Now see here, he exclaimed with surprise that he has a change in had. He had dropped my key change, my change according to subject. Subject is he, so his key somewhere. I hope you have understood. Now see, there is a chart of change in indirect speech. How indirect speech change in how direct speech change in indirect speech. Here chart is given, because if we will learn this chart, then it will be easy for you to understand that where we are to use the conjunction, where we are to use that, where we are to use if or whether, and where we are to use to. That all things will be clear here in this chart. So let us see. I have made the chart. In this column there is given kind of sentences, what type of sentences are there, and nature of sentence. Okay, then reporting verb and conjunctions. So let us see assertive sentence. Kinds of sentences. Assertive sentence. When assertive sentence is given, then what will the nature of sentence? It will the simple sentence and statement will be given there. Assertive sentence, the nature of sentence is simple sentence, and in this one we will write reporting verb said or told. When object is given in reporting verb, then we will change in told, otherwise we will put the same said. In this type of sentences, conjunction will be used that. When assertive sentence are there or simple sentence are there, then conjunction will be used that. Now if interrogative sentence are there, nature of the interrogative sentence, how can we come to know that is interrogative sentence? End of the sentence question mark will be given. In reported speech sentence, question mark will be given, and reported speech will start with do, does, did, will, is, are, was, were, has, have, had. Any question mark, any word, any helping verb will be there. With that sentence will be start, or maybe the sentence can be start with a WH word. Okay, like who, which, how many, how much, what time, like this. So in this type of sentence, reporting verb will be used asked or inquired. So said to change in asked or change in inquired of. Okay, and the conjunction will be used if or whether. When or not is given, when option is given or not is given, then we'll write whether, otherwise we'll use if. Next is imperative sentence. What type of sentence? Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence, those sentence shows order, advice or request. In which sentence any order, advice or request is given, that is the imperative sentence. And in imperative sentence, there will be reporting verb will change in ordered, advised or requested. Said or said to change in ordered or advised or requested. Okay, and in this type of sentences, no conjunction will be used, no any conjunction will be used. Only two will be added before the reported speech. Only two is added before the reported speech. Next, optative sentences. Optative sentences, those sentence shows boon, bless, wish or curse. These are the optative sentence. And if these things comes there, then we will we will change the said or said to in wished or prayed. So in reporting verb, wished or prayed will be used, and the conjunction will be used that. Now last type of sentence is exclamatory sentences. What type of exclamatory sentences? These sentences shows joy, sorrow, surprise, regret, etc. Exclamatory mark will be given there. So we will have to keep in mind that if exclamatory mark is given, then we will come to know that this is the exclamatory sentence. And in this type of sentence is said or said to change in exclaimed with exclaimed, shouted, applauded. Okay, and the connector will be used that. On the place of comma included comma, we will write that. So one thing you will have to keep in mind that there are 5 type of sentences. Okay, one assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative and exclamatory. So in 3 type of sentences like assertive, optative, exclamatory, in this type of sentences we will write the connector that. And only interrogative or imperative sentence are there which is used different connectors, like you can see here in this one, if or to. So this if is used, if or whether is used in interrogative sentence, and in imperative sentence to is used. Okay, and rest of three sentences that conjunction is used. So this was the chart which you will have to keep in mind, and see you in next video.